Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you 5 basic Git commands that everyone should know. To start using Git, first I have to open the Git terminal. So I'll just right click here and click Git bash here and you will see this window. Now for our example, I'll just create a sample folder which you can see. I'll just open it and then you can see this folder has nothing in it. So you can see the folder has nothing in it, and then I'll open VS Code for just adding some text to our files. So I'll just create some files here. Okay, so you can see one file has been created. So touch is a command to create a file in a repository. So you can see this app.html is created. I'll just add some basic HTML code here and some header files, title, my app, and then I'll just add some body here, my first app. Okay, so now you can see we will have to tell Git that this repository or this folder is actually a Git folder. For that we have our first command, git init. So I'll just give it the command git init, and you can see initialized git empty repository in this folder. So initially you won't be able to see this file as it is hidden. This file basically tells you that this is a Git repository. If you want to see this file, you can just click on view, options, and change folder search options, and in view mode you can just enable show hidden files, and then you will be able to see this folder. Okay, so that was our first command which let Git know that this is a Git repository. Okay, now we have a file in our repository, right? So I'll create another file, my app.js, suppose. Okay, so this is another file. Now we'll go to the second command. We'll let Git know that we want to add these two files to the commit. So here's the second command, git add and the file name. Okay, you can see nothing has happened, but then again I'll show you just in a minute. Now we have added this single file into the staging stage. So to confirm that the file is in a staging stage, we'll use a third command, which is git status. Okay, so see, you can see here that we have added the app.html file in the Git repository, Git staging file, but you can see that my app.js has not been added. That is because we added a single file in it. If you want to add multiple files, you'll just have to do git add dot, and this will add all the files to the staging area. You can visit again git status, and you can see both my app.html and my app.js. Now we go to the fourth step. Fourth step is committing the files. So you can just enter git commit -m, and in single quotes you can just leave a message, my first commit. The -m here suggests that this is a message you want to add to this commit. This commit generates some specific ID which can locate the committed file. So you just want to know that this is your first commit or some other commit, so you can just leave a message by adding -m. So let's just do that, and you can see the two files have been changed, and that means they have been committed. The fifth command is git clone command. In this, I'll just git clone, and then I'll just go to a repository and copy this code. And remember to paste it by right clicking on the mouse and then hit enter. If you press Ctrl V, you will get an error. So you can see this has cloned the repository tic-tac-toe in my Git repository. So here you can see, if I go inside, it has this tic-tac-toe game inside it. So guys, those were the 5 commands that everyone should know. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.